Today we are going to discuss about median. So what is median? It is used to give the middle value. Middle value. This is a very important word. Middle value of in a set of data. In order to find median, the data must be arranged in ascending or descending order. Some of the students are telling me that sir, I am able to do without ascending or descending order in previous chapter, but in this chapter, that's why I am telling you have to ascending or descending the data for this reason only. So for median we must be arranged the data in ascending or descending order. If after ascending or descending order the data have n observations, then we can write, see that if after writing ascending or descending order you get n observations, so number of observations are n given. Number 1, if n is odd means 1, 3, 5, 7 like that numbers. If n is odd, then the median is n plus 1 by 2/8 observation. N plus 1 by 2/8 observation, not n plus 1 by 2. 2 is the answer. N plus 1 by 2/8 observation you have to find in the ascending and the descending order. From the ascending and the descending order, what is the observations is there? Suppose here 3. So 3 plus 1, this is 4. 4 by 2, that means 2/8 observation. So you have to find the 2/8 observation from the data of the ascending and descending order. Now number 2. Number 2, see that n is even. If n is even means 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. So if the observations is even, then that is n by 2/8 plus n by 2 plus 1/8 observation. Okay, so n by 2/8 observation plus n by 2 plus 1/8 observation if n is even. Now we are going to the chapter and discuss about the sums. Now 1R1. In 1R1, see that to find the median of each of the following sets of data. The data is given 6, 5, 3, 8, 4, 2, 8, 9, 7. So this is the data given 6, 5, 3, 8, 4, 2, 8, 9, 7. Firstly write in the ascending or descending order. So I am writing here in ascending order. Ascending order. In ascending order, write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many 8 is there? 2. So 8 and 9. Okay. So how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So n equals to 9. So n equals to 9 here. That means the number of observation is 9. That is even or odd? Odd. So if odd, then the formula is n plus 1 by 2/8 observation. So median equals to n plus 1 by 2th observation. That means 9 plus 1 by 2th observation. So that means 10 by 2, that is 5th observation. So what is the 5th observation? See that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the 5th observation? 6. So 6 is the answer here. Sir, I am taking from the left or right. You can take from any side. Okay, you can take from any side, the answer will be same. That's why I am telling you have to write in the ascending order or descending order. Okay. Now next one is 6. Numbers are given 513, 513, 655, 2318. So how many numbers are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is even. So n equals to 10. You can write in bracket even. Okay. Even or odd, you can write it here. Now first write in the ascending or descending order. I am writing in descending order. Before some we are writing in the ascending order. Now descending. In descending we can write 8. Next 6. Next 5. 3 5 is there. So 5 5 5. Next 3 1 2 3. Next 2. Next 1. Count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. So descending order is written over there. So now n is even. So median equals to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1/8 observation. So n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1/8 observation. That means n by 2, that means 10 by 2, 5th observation, plus 6th observation, 6th observation. So 2 observation is there. So 5th and 6th. Here 5th observation is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6th is 3. So 5 and 3, 2 observations we are getting. So that means you have to find the mean of these 2 observations. That means 5 plus 3 by 2. That means 4. So 4 is the median here. Okay, 4 is the median here. Now in number 3, see that find the median of first 10 natural numbers. So first 10 natural numbers is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So these are the first 10 natural numbers. Okay, so you have to find the median. So how many numbers are there? 10. So n equals to 10. That means even. Okay, so median equals to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1/8 observation. So 10 by 2 means 5th observation plus 6th observation. So that means 5th observation is 5, 6th observation is 6. So So 5 plus 6 by 2. So don't think here 5 and 6 observations is 5 and 6, that means this 5 and this 5. That means this from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5th observation and this is 6th observation. Okay. Always find the observation from the data, not write from here. Okay. So that means 11 by 2. That means 5.5. So 5.5 is the median of first 10 natural numbers. Now number 5. In number 5, see that find the median of the first 7 even numbers. So first 7 even numbers, right? So 7 even numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n equals to 7. That means odd. So median equals to n by 2th observation. So I am writing already in the ascending or descending order. You can write on also in the descending order, but I am choosing in the ascending order. So that's why we are not write the data in the normal ascending or descending form. We already write in the ascending order. Okay. So n by 2th observation, that n is equals to 7. So sorry, n plus 1. That is n plus 1. That is 8 by 2. That is 4th observation. So 4th observation. So 4th observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So 8 is answer. Okay, and the last one, number 7. The height in centimeters of some students of a class are given below. So write 162, 156, 154, 153, 152, 155, 160, 163 and 151. 162, 156, 154, 152, 155, 160, 163, 151. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N equals to 9. That means odd. Okay. So odd is there. So write in the ascending order. Ascending order. So 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156 is also there. 157, no. 160, 162 and 163. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 numbers are there. So median equals to n plus 1 by 2th observation. So that means n equals to 9. 9 plus 1 by 2. That is 5th observation. So 5th observation is, find the 5th observation. So 5th observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 155 centimeter. So 155 centimeter is the median. Okay. Okay, students. Rest of the exercise of 1D are homework. Submit your work within time and practice in home properly. Thank you all. Take care. Bye.